Good morning. Welcome to the 17th of September 2018. My name is Dylan and I'm going to be taking you through your fundamental breakdown of the market today. It's quite a quiet day, guys, so I'm going to get straight to the point. 10 a.m. London time. Coming out of Europe, we have the final CPI data. What is CPI data? It's the change in the price of consumer goods and services. Consumer prices account for the majority of overall inflation. When there is an increase in inflation, so when prices do go up, central banks need to adjust interest rates accordingly, okay? When interest rates go up, it attracts foreign investments. All right. Foreign investment means an increase in the demand of local currency. Increase in demand means increase in value. Therefore, if this information comes out positively or greater than what is forecast, we're going to see a lot of buyers coming into the market and taking advantage of a stronger euro. Make sense? 10 a.m. Watch out for that. Okay. 1:30 coming out of Canada. That's 1:30 London time. Coming out of Canada, we got foreign securities purchases. Okay, the thing about securities is they need to be purchased in the local currency. If it needs to be purchased in the local currency and we see these numbers are coming out positively, it means that the demand for the currency has come out positively. This has a sort of medium sort of impact on the market. So it might not affect the Canadian dollar too much, and it very well may be offset by fluctuations in the oil price. We know that Canada is a major exporter of oil, so when the oil price goes up and down, it reacts super quick, or it affects the Canadian dollar super quick. So do watch out for that. There are factors involved that might create a little bit of noise, but that'll be 1:30 p.m. London time. Again, 1:30 p.m. London time. Coming out of the USA, we got Empire State Manufacturing Index. Okay, this is a survey that involves 200 manufacturers in New York State, taken by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Okay, what this does is it just surveys general business conditions. Okay, it does affect the market. It has a sort of medium effect on the market too. And we're looking for an increase or a greater than expected number to affect the currency positively. All right, so if the information comes out and it's more positive than what we expected, we're expecting a figure of 23.2, okay, which is actually, we're expecting a drop this time, okay, then we will see an increase in the value of the US dollar, short-term increase in the value of the US dollar. So do watch out for that too. Guys, the reason why the fundamental information is important is because if you go into a deal on the US dollar, let's say US dollar CAD, and you're in from like 11 o'clock and you don't know that this information is coming out, you're just going to be relying on your technical analysis, so you're going to be looking at price action. This here is always kind of throwing a spanner in the works if you don't know that it's there. If you do know that it's there, you can adjust your stop losses accordingly, change your targets. There's nothing worse than fundamental information coming out and you're like, you're almost at your target. Your stop loss is already at a profit, so you're good. And it prints this massive candle because you didn't know that this fundamental information was being released, and you ended up, hitting a target that was, you could have just made more money if you increase the target based on the knowledge that there is going to be fundamental information coming out that could create a more dramatic than expected range. So, this is really important information. I don't like making money on it, but I do like protecting my money on it. So, for me, it's not about making money on fundamentals. It's about sort of staying away from unnecessary or unpredictable market volatility. All right, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, drop me a line in an email, or share if you think it's worth sharing. Subscribe if you want to stay in contact. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.